Children, good morning all. Hope you all went through the textbook. Children, today we are going to discuss the textbook exercises. Isn't it? We completed the lesson food. So we are going to discuss the textbook back exercises now. Please get ready with your textbook and pencil. We'll discuss now, children. Okay.
Children, let's discuss the textbook back exercise now. Okay, the first one is choose the best answer. First one, which one can be eaten as raw food? Options are A, meat, B, carrot, C, fish, and D, potato. The answer is B, carrot. The next one is second one, uncooked food is called uncooked food. அதோட இன்னொரு பேர் என்னம்மா? What is the other name for uncooked food? See the options down. A, junk food, B, hygienic food, C, raw food, and D, cooked food. So the correct option is C, raw food. Raw food is otherwise called as uncooked food. The other name of raw food is uncooked food. Next one, third one, solar cooker reduces dash. A, air pollution, B, water pollution, C, land pollution, and D, noise pollution. So the correct answer is A, air pollution. Solar cooker reduces air pollution. The next one, fourth one. Which one cannot be preserved by drying method? A, rice, B, cereals, C, fish, and D, fruits. The correct option is D, fruits. Fruits cannot be preserved by drying method. Fifth one, we can avoid food wastage by A, giving to the needy, B, eating more than we need, C, buying extra food, and D, throwing in a dustbin. So how can we avoid food wastage, children? Which is the correct option here? Yes, it is A, giving to the needy. So யாருக்கு food தேவைப்படுதோ, யாருக்கு வந்து food தேவைப்படுதோ அவங்களுக்கு கொடுத்து ஹெல்ப் பண்றது தான் நம்ம ஃபுட் வேஸ்டேஜை வந்து அவாய்ட் பண்றதுக்கு கரெக்டான சொல்யூஷன். சரிங்களா? ஸோ ஃபுட் கிடைக்காதவங்க நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. ஸோ அவங்களுக்கு நம்ம கொடுத்து நம்ம ஹெல்ப் பண்ணணும். சரியா? நம்ம கிட்ட எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஃபுட் இருந்தாலோ இல்லை ஃபுட் வேஸ்ட் பண்ணாம நம்ம அவங்களுக்கு கொடுத்து நம்ம ஹெல்ப் பண்ணணும். The second Roman number, fill in the blanks. First one, dash gives us energy to work and play. See, options are raw food or junk food. So what is the correct option, children? Which gives us energy to work and play? It is raw food gives us energy to work and play. So take the correct option and write it in the blank given here. Okay, children? Cooked food is easily dash. The given options are digested or undigested. So cooked food is easily digested. Okay, children. Cooked food is easily digested. சீக்கிரமா digest ஆகிறதுக்கு cooked food வந்து helpful-ஆ இருக்கும். Third one, pressure cooker is one of the dash utensils. The options are modern or olden. Pressure cooker is one of the modern utensils. Modern. Isn't it? Modern utensils. Fourth one, we need pure air, protected water, and dash food for our healthy life. So, நம்மளுக்கு pure air, protected water, and என்ன food நம்மளுக்கு வேணும் healthy life நம்ம வந்து exist பண்றதுக்கு? Junk food or hygienic food? We need hygienic food, okay, to lead a healthy life. So take the correct option and write it in the blank given there. Fifth one, we make idiyappam by dash method. So the options given here are boiling method or steaming method. So in which method we make idiyappam? It is by steaming method, isn't it? It is by steaming method. We make idiyappam by steaming method. The next one. Third Roman number. Match the following. Match the following. First one, grapes. Grapes. So look at the option there. Modern utensil, food during illness. Olden utensil, raw food, salad. So it is raw food. We can eat fruits uncooked, isn't it? We can eat and in raw. Okay. Mixture of vegetables. So we use all the vegetables, some of the vegetables in salad, raw eating vegetables in salad, isn't it? So mixture of vegetables is salad. Electric rice cooker. Electric rice cooker is a what type of utensil? It is modern utensil. Earthen pot, that is clay pot. Okay, it is olden utensil. Sorry, children. Let's do it correctly. Earthen pot is olden utensil. The next one, less fatty food. So during illness, we have to take the food which has less fat. Okay. So less fatty food is food during illness. Okay, நம்ம உடம்பு சரியாம இருக்கும்போது என்னெல்லாம் சாப்பிடுவோம்? கஞ்சு, அப்புறம் fresh juice அதெல்லாம் தானே சாப்பிடுவோம். Okay, we have to use less fatty food during illness. Okay, children. Then the fourth Roman number, write yes or no. The first one is biryani is a raw food. Is it, children? Biryani is a raw food? False. Yes, no போடுங்க. சரிங்களா? Write no. Because it's given us write yes or no. So you write no. Frying is a method of cooking. So frying is one of the method of cooking. So put S. We can cook rice on a tawa. Tavala rice panna mudiyuma? Is it possible, children? Can we cook rice in a tawa? No. Cooking in a solar oven needs sunlight. Yes. Last one, consuming too much oily food is bad for our health. Yes. So next one is answer briefly. See, children, I will just discuss the answers now. I'll give you the question answer separately, and that time you can copy in your classwork. Name any 3 cooking methods. What are the any 3 cooking methods? Tell me. Boiling, steaming, is roasting, any 3 or frying. Okay, any 3 cooking methods you can write. Okay, children. Or pressure cooking, anything you can write, any 3 methods. Second one, write any 2 food items you should eat when you're sick. I told you already, isn't it? Porridge, that it's kanji kudikanonu sonna illaya. Porridge of rice and fresh juices, lots of fresh fruit juices, tender coconut. So these are the food items you should eat when you are sick. Draw one of your favorite raw food and color it. Any one of your favorite raw food and you color that raw food. Okay, it may be carrot, grapes, apple, anything, whatever you like. Write about any 2 preservation methods. Tell me any 2 preservation methods, children. Yes, pickling drying. Okay, you can write anything, either refrigerating, canning. Okay, they are asking only two preservative methods. The next one, how can you reduce wastage of food in your home? How can you reduce wastage of food in your home? Yes, giving to the needy. யாருக்கு தேவைப்படுதோ அவங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கிறது. சரிங்களா? So take what you will eat and eat what you take. நம்மளுக்கு என்ன எவ்வளோ வந்து சாப்பாட்டுக்கு எவ்வளோ சாப்பிடுவோம்னு தெரியுமோ அந்த குவான்டிட்டி மட்டும் எடுத்து அந்த குவான்டிட்டி மட்டும் பண்றது. சரியா? நம்ம ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கிறது எக்ஸஸ் ஃபுட்டை. சரியா? ஓகேமா? வித்தவுட் எனி வேஸ்டேஜ். So next is explain in detail. Explain any 4 food preservation methods. As I told you earlier, it is pickling, refrigerating, drying, canning. So you have to describe it with examples. Any 4 cooking methods. So as I said, roasting, boiling, steaming, pressure cooking. So give examples and you have to explain it. What are the hygienic ways of cooking food? Washing the vegetables, washing our hands before cooking, wash the utensils. Okay, so these are all the hygienic ways that we have to cook food. Okay, so let us see the new topic next week. Children, I'll give you notes for this. You can copy it in your classwork, children. Thank you all, children.